Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Oreo channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to mute someone on Facebook Messenger for Android, and before that I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let's go to the started. Actually you have to get for the new or the latest version of the Messenger, so it's make you for more easier, it's make you the Messenger is more to have the good way, and please tap on for the Messenger now. And after that, for the next step, you can search in the upper of the bar for the name the people that you want to be muted. But if you see for the access this account in your chat here, tap on for this, and let's go to the symbol in the upper of the right corner. And for the next step, there is have the fourth option in the bar here. There is have audio, video, profile, and mute. And how to make it mute, you cannot tap on for the mute, and there is have a three option for you. The first one, the mute message notification, just to message notification actually, and the second one, mute call notification, just to call notification actually too, and the third one, the mute message and the call notification. It's mean the both of message and call notification, it's mean the all of it. You can go to the mute message, and I want to mute the all of this, and after that you can go to the OK, tap on for the OK. Okay, muted is chat is first the 6 for the option. The first one is for the 5 minutes, second one for the 1 hour, third one for 8 hour, the fourth one for 24 hours, for the fifth one until alarm at 4 AM, and the last but not least about the until I change it is mean I change for the until I change it, and the function is for I tap for the until I change it. The mute for this person is mute for the all the time, so this is a not change before I change for this. To unmute it, I change it, and is until the I change it. Okay, tap on OK if you don't choose the one of those, and now you mute for this person for the all the time. Okay, it's very simple way to do it. This is a tutorial how to mute someone on Facebook Messenger for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention. Enjoy for this video. Have a nice day and bye.